Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to disable Facebook account 2025. Open your Facebook account, click on your profile, and then click on Settings and Privacy. Again, click on Settings. Now on the side, click on the line Password and Security and Account Center. After that, choose the option Personal Details. Now you will click on the option Account Ownership and Control. In this window, select the option Deactivation or Deletion. Select your account. Now leave the Deactivate Account checkbox checked and click Continue. You must enter your account password. Choose a reason for deactivating the account and click Continue. Finish the process by confirming the questions and finally click Deactivate my account. You can see that you will be logged out of Facebook. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.